Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hyderabad from Telangana. So let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for digital assistant position. It is from W Social. So it is hiring for digital marketing assistant for their brand social such as media, animation, education and entertainment. In that YouTube marketing, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, other digital marketing platforms. So interested candidates to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can check in the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for catalog specialist position. So it is from Mosahe. Salary will be 4 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum for this position, and any bachelor's degree is required. So coming to responsibilities, you need to build catalog by adhering to GeoMark catalog quality standards and also interacting and coordinating with sellers as required to ensure accurate catalog creation or upload. So coming to skills details, you should be having experience with e-commerce, retail, advertising or media would be an advantage, and also you should be having knowledge on Excel, SQL and macros would be a plus, and also experience in customer facing environment, proficient with computer and MS Office skills such as Outlook, Word and Excel knowledge is preferred. So interested candidates to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for process associate customer service. So it is from Genpact. So it will be a full time for entry level. So minimum qualification will be graduates in any discipline. So fresher candidates are also eligible for this position. So coming to responsibilities, you need to respond to customer queries and customers' concerns and making outbound calls to customers and employers, and also provide support for data collection to enable recovery of the account for end user, maintain a deep understanding of client process and policies, reproduce customer issues and bring up product bugs, and also you need to provide excellent customer service to the customers, and you should be responsible to exhibit capacity for critical thinking and analysis. So you can check here with all the details. If you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. So for this position, the preferred qualifications will be previous experience in a customer service role, chat or email or voice, and effective problem solving skills and analyzing and understanding skills will be required. So you should be having analytical skills with the customer centric approach and also efficient, like excellent proficiency with written English and with neutral English accent, and you should be able to work on a flexible schedule including weekend shift. So you can check here with all the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist position. So it is from KBK Business Solutions. So coming to qualifications, full bachelor's degree or equivalent is necessary, and also in Microsoft Office suites knowledge is required, such as Outlook, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. Knowledge is required, and also you should be having experience with SEO and ACM. Strong written and verbal and collaboration skills are required. So coming to responsibilities, man your digital marketing campaigns through all areas of the project life cycle, and you need to like clearly understand and implement digital marketing campaigns which fit clients needs, and you need to provide analytical reporting of campaigns to stakeholders. So these are the responsibilities and qualification details about digital marketing specialist position. So if you want to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can check in the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for manager operations. So it is from HSBC for Greater Hyderabad area. So coming to qualification details, you should be having excellent written and oral communication skills and strong relationship management and interpersonal skills and ability to interact confidently and competently with all levels of the organization and deal with the challenges, issues in the professional manner, and has experience in planning and organizing work in a global environment and possesses is experience of establishing and maintaining relationships with senior decision makers and is a change leader to drive and implement changes within the department and has in the past taken difficult decision by keeping goal strategy and our bigger picture in view. So you can check here with all the qualifications mentioned here. So coming to responsibilities, this role supports the newly formed Nestro account management team to support at a global level across all businesses to improve the overall governance and control on the Nestro account management itself. And also this role typically will be responsible for the end-to-end delivery of the work stream, implement changes globally, and agree the roles and responsibilities with the stakeholders, improve the turnaround time. So this role also requires management of complex and broad range of operational challenges or issues across countries. So these are the responsibilities. So you can check here with the rest of the responsibilities. If you need more detailed information and also to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply. So you can check in the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for customer support associate position. So it is from Eduran Group. So for this position, the languages required will be English, Hindi, Telugu. So all three languages should mandatory. So qualification, any graduate like 2020, 19, 18, 17 passed out candidates are eligible, and for 2021 batch they should have graduation certificate. So salary will be 13,500 rupees per month and along with the incentives. So it is for this location, so you can check here with the location. So coming to job description, outbound banking sales resources are required to make out calls and win the sale related to banking products like PL, HL, EMI and so on, and insurance process too. So this is about the job description. So in order to apply for this position, the link is available in the description, so you can go through with the link. Next one, there is a job opening for manager for operations. So it is from Amazon. So coming to qualifications, bachelor's degree is required in business and engineering, statistics, computer science, mathematics are related field. So above 6 years of experience is required, like professional experience, and you should be having strong analytical, organizational and interpersonal skills and demonstrated ability to adapt to a rapidly changing environment and execute many complex tasks simultaneously. So these are the qualifications, and coming to preferred qualifications, MBA is preferred or advanced degree in engineering, operations, supply chain, logistics or related field is required, and demonstrated experience of managing large teams to drive operational rigor and demonstrated experience using data to drive root cause elimination and process improvement, and a self-starter who can guide teams and work on understanding trends and proactively works on callouts to ensure minimal business impact. So these are the preferred qualification details. So if you want to apply for this position, the link is available in the description, so you can check in the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for product support specialist position. So it is from Thomson Reuters. So it will be a full time as associate. So coming to primary responsibilities, like you need to provide product support to customers via phone, email and or chat, leveraging internal resources in a timely manner across a wide range of one source products, and work on cases or tickets according to established departmental practices, document all interactions following standard operating procedures, and collaborate with other support teams involving integration between OneSource products. You need to assist other support teams based on need and availability, and you need to participate in training projects and deliver on demand coachings. So you can check here with the all the responsibilities mentioned here. So coming to key skills and attributes, you should be having experience in a client facing service desk or support analyst role, and customer service skills should be required, like ideally over the phone and email in a B2B support desk environment, and troubleshooting and a desire to learn. So excellent organization, planning and implementation skills will be required, and high level of empathy and interpersonal skills, and also high standard of professionalism along with excellent written and verbal communication skills are required. So these skills are required, so you can check here with all the skills. And the shift timings will be 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Coming to educational qualifications, bachelor's degree in accounting is required, and also 4 to 5 years of experience in tax and accounting field is preferred, and you should be having strong verbal and written communication skills for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can check in the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for associate for payments, so it is from Wipro. So coming to about the job, so basic communication skills with a proactive and positive approach to tasks, analytical approach and a logical skills with attention to detail, preferred knowledge and our experience in internet, credit card, bank transactional monitoring, and also strong work ethic and ability to work with minimal supervision, personal experience with using internet websites and social communication tools are you should be having experience on all this, and should be able to follow policies and procedures diligently as prescribed by the business, and also basic written and verbal communication skills in English are required. So only graduates are eligible, so fresher candidates are eligible for this position. So interested candidates, I have provided the link in the description to apply for this position, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for customer relationship officer position. It is from Blackbuck Jinka Logistics Solutions Private Limited. So for this position, 3 months to 3 years of experience is required. And coming to description, sell the company products, FASTag, GPS device, insurance around 30 to 40 kilometers daily in the local location market, etc. And you will need to reporting to territory sales leader daily, and you must have bike and driving license and Aadhaar and PAN card for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply, the link is available in the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.